My name is Steve McShane, and I'm running for Monterey County Supervisor. I have to say something about Laguna Seca. We're talking about a nationally and internationally recognized racetrack. It's one of the greatest assets that the County of Monterey has. And I want to work hard as a county supervisor to make sure that that track is invested in and operates in a way that the region can embrace. You know, for too long, there's been far too much deferred maintenance. There hasn't been any attention given to the incredible tourism and opportunity that that track represents. I look forward to playing a close and strong role in helping to invest in Laguna Seca and make it into more of the community jewel than it's already been. I hope you'll join my campaign for County Supervisor. Check out my website at www.electmcshane.com and join me in making Monterey County something awesome.